Greetings, mathematicians! In this short video, you'll learn about Brainingcamp fraction circles. Once logged in, click on the Fraction Circles manipulative. You'll begin in the basic workspace. In the toolkit on the left, you'll find fraction circles. These fraction tools consist of 9 color-coded circles representing a whole, halves, thirds, fourths, fifths, sixths, eighths, tenths, and twelfths. Each piece represents equal fractional parts based on the same sized whole. Once you add fraction circles to the workspace, you can select them to reveal a menu of options and operations. One unique feature is the ability to easily change the labels between fractions, decimals, percents, or simply no labels at all. You can also turn off the fill to create a blank template. You can use the rotate function to place pieces exactly where you want them. The Rings workspace allows for exploration of equivalencies and relationships among fractions, decimals, percents, degrees, and units of time. Select the ring to display the options. Use the blue slider to change the increments on the ring. Fraction circles can be placed inside the ring and still maintain all their features and options. Don't forget to check out the settings menus for tools and settings that can be used with fraction circles in fun and interesting ways. Now you are ready to use Brainingcamp fraction circles. If you want more practice with the general interface, we encourage you to watch the Getting Started with Brainingcamp tutorial video. Remember, each manipulative has its own tutorial video with details specific to each. Let us know if you have any questions.